So before I actually did the course, I felt it's been many, many years of feeling like I can't swim. It's just something that I can't do, and a lot of other people can. And the sort of fears and anxieties I felt in my mind, I felt quite isolated with it because a lot of people, like my friends and family, can swim. So it's just something I've kind of just lived with. And then when I saw the online course, um, I thought, oh wow, like this is a really safe space to be able to talk about it and maybe see things from a different perspective. And I was kind of at a point where I was willing to try anything
Mhm.
that m may help. And I knew that it wouldn't do anything to make it worse. I knew it was only going to help. So that's why I thought I'll give it a go.
Excellent.
So yeah, that was sort of why I got into it.
Excellent, thank you. So now you've done the course, you've actually started swimming, haven't you? You've done a few lessons.
Yeah,
So if I can kind of like take you back to before you actually took that step and did some lessons after the
yeah,
course, how
yeah.
did that change things for you?
It really made me feel quite motivated. I think it just got me on the right track to prepare me to get into the pool.
Yeah,
Because one of the biggest things I took away from the course um, is putting the word yet on the end of the sentence. So all these years I felt like I cannot swim. And then just by learning to put the word yet on the end of that, so I cannot swim yet. And it was really powerful. And the mindfulness techniques, the breathing exercises, I practiced all of that. And it
excellent.
just prepared me really well to start the first lesson, definitely.
Excellent. So you've done, is it 5 lessons now, did you tell me?
Yeah, yeah,
Excellent.
fine.
So, how is the kind of online course and the techniques you've learned able to help you kind of once you've been taking that step in the water? And well done, by the way, for like going there
You.
5 lessons. I know it's not been easy, but well done. You have still done it.
Thank you. Yeah, so I'll be honest, the those feelings of like fear and the anxieties, they are still there. But I feel like I have like a mental understanding of how to control them a bit better from having done the course. So I still feel that panic, and I'm hoping that as time goes on, that will go one day. But from the course, what I'm able to do is just calm myself down.
Excellent.
Um, and I think that's been the biggest difference from all the years that I've done lessons in the past. I don't think anyone's ever really taken that time just to talk to me
Yeah,
and to help me to understand where this is all coming from. I think that's what the online course really did. So I think it's just helping me to not panic as much when I'm in the water.